My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups and scary alerts that come from the site Pcdefenceacademy.online. Some people may see these pretty scary pop-ups by the site Pcdefenceacademy.online. Such pop-ups claim that they are related to the well-known security application, but in reality, there is no connection between these pop-ups and any decent security program. So if you see these alerts, make sure you don't interact with them. Don't install anything that these scary pop-ups ever suggest. And also don't click on the allow button, because if you do that, your browser may be hijacked and contaminated with numerous advertisements that will be attacking your screen in the form of push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on this allow button, you need to fix your browser. We recommend you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.